Meaning of hack.
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 Hack. The word hack has multiple meanings, but it commonly refers to the act of using a computer or other electronic devices to gain unauthorized access to data or systems. This can be done for malicious purposes such as stealing sensitive information or disrupting services. In a positive sense, hack can also refer to creative problem-solving or finding unconventional solutions to problems. The term hack is often associated with the tech and programming culture, and has been popularized through movies and media.